I will hand it over to you to talk about ZenOptics and just give a bit of context to set the stage for the customer case studies that will follow.
Thank you, Julie. Thank you. And thank you, Eric and Anju, for being here today. I'm going to kick this off, just to provide a baseline around sort of why ZenOptics even exists and what really our goal and mission is around allowing and enabling enterprises to become more data-driven. As we all know, with data explosion and analytics explosion, everyone wants to adopt data and analytics technologies to become data-driven. That's a given. In today's world, data is really what drives the business and the enterprise. But it's also about how you manage and govern the use of that data, which truly is via the analytics that someone consumes, the end users, the business users. The data producers ultimately are responsible for building the analytics pipeline. So today, the challenges around, how enterprises want to become data-driven, but they face these challenges is not because of a lack of data or the tools, but for a lack of those behaviors and beliefs around data usage. And what that really just goes to talk about is some of the challenges around governing this environment and the overall analytics pipeline. So we just have some stats and metrics around, what this means today, but I really want to dive into some of the challenges because we've talked about that. And what we see today in terms of the challenges is everyone needs information to make a decision, right? We all know this. But as enterprises, especially financial services organizations, have understood the need for data in their product design, they've also recognized the need for how analytics and KPIs are critical in enabling the enterprise. However, what happens is typically all business units are individually creating these KPIs and these analytics, right? And that's what's leading to the siloed data and analytics problem that we're all very well aware of. The direct impact of that is obviously productivity loss, right? Because everyone's trying to do this in a silo, and as a result of which, there is a lack of alignment in what the analytics really need to be, or the KPIs really need to be to focus on the business goals or supporting the business goals across the enterprise.